Hi guys, I am your host from hairsite.com, one of the world's largest and longest running websites for hair restoration. Today's video is produced in collaboration with Dr. A's Hair Clinic, a top-ranked #1 hair clinic in the world according to Hairsite's patient results statistics. Dr. A's Hair Clinic is founded by Dr. Arvind Poswal, a pioneer in cutting-edge hair restoration for men and women, and one of the most versatile hair transplant surgeons in the world. Today's topic is laser hair regrowth treatment. Laser treatment for hair loss has been around for well over a decade. It's also referred to as Low Level Laser Therapy, or short for LLT. There are many brands on the market these days: LaserCap, LaserPro, HairMax, and iRestore, to name a few. Some of these devices have also received US FDA clearance as a product that can promote hair growth. In one of the laser hair regrowth studies submitted to FDA, the trial was designed to support the 510K submission to the government and complied in accordance with GCP, or Good Clinical Practices. The objectives of the study in males were to assess the following: promotion of hair growth through changes in hair density, cessation of hair loss, scalp overall health, safety. Trial results were impressive. Subjects in the laser hair regrowth treatment group had significantly greater increase in mean terminal hair density, an increase of 19.80 per square centimeter versus a decrease of 7.60 per square centimeter in the placebo group. Subjects in the treatment group also had significantly better assessment of overall hair regrowth than the placebo group. No participant experienced a serious adverse event, and the adverse event profiles were similar between the two treatment groups. This is all good news, but why does laser hair regrowth treatment work? What are the biochemistry mechanisms behind laser therapy that make it effective in promoting new hair growth? Well, these questions remain unanswered, as they are not within the mandate of the FDA. FDA is more concerned about safety and effectiveness. It is not their mandate to find out exactly how a particular medical device treats a disease. Over the years, promoters of laser hair regrowth devices have struggled to explain why laser therapy can regrow hair. Many cite that laser therapy stimulates blood circulation on the scalp, while others say that laser light energizes the follicles and improves scalp health. All very weak explanations and seriously lacking in scientific substance. Finally, thanks to a new study published jointly by the Department of Dermatology at Sun Yat-sen University and South China University of Technology in China, we now have a clear understanding as to why laser therapy is effective in promoting hair growth. The researchers used in vitro culture of human hair follicles in the study. The study involved different intensities of laser lights and LEDs in order to evaluate their effect on hair growth. And who knew? It was discovered that laser therapy invokes activation of WNT beta-catenin signaling, and by enhancing the expression of WNT beta-catenin signaling molecules in the hair matrix, hair growth is facilitated. What is WNT pathway signaling? Well, WNT signaling regulates stem cell activity as a proliferative and self-renewal signal. In a study published in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology, Quack and his team indicated that a higher than normal level of androgen-inducible DKK1 protein have been found in biopsies of scalp skin taken from balding men. It was later proven that DKK1 inhibits WNT signaling pathway and, consequently, stem cell division, resulting in a shortening of the growth cycle or anagen phase of hair follicles. Dr. Mark Dahl further reiterated that stem cells and proper WNT pathway signaling facilitate normal hair growth. In addition, certain WNT proteins, such as WNT10B, have been shown to promote hair follicle growth in organ culture. And there you have it. Finally, a scientific explanation why laser therapy for hair loss works. There is more to the study. It turns out that not all laser hair growth devices are created equal. The study showed that 655 nanometer red light together with LED was actually the most effective in stimulating hair growth. According to the researchers, 655 nanometer red light plus LED not only enhanced hair shaft elongation, but also reduced catagen transition in human hair follicle organ culture, with the greatest effectiveness observed at 5 minutes of usage. What kind of results you can expect from laser hair regrowth treatment? Well, if you're a Norwood Class 3 or worse, then just forget about it. Low-level laser therapy will not give you the results you want. Laser hair regrowth treatment works best when you're noticing initial signs of hair loss. If you've been losing your hair for over a couple of years, or if you have clearly defined bald patches, laser therapy will not give you the improvement you want. If you have questions on this topic or about hair restoration in general, contact Dr. Ray's Hair Clinic directly. They can answer all your questions about cutting-edge hair restoration technologies. No fee, no cost, just good, honest information. Dr. Ray's Hair Clinic is a sponsoring clinic on Hairsite with over 15 years of uninterrupted successful patient records, and crowned overall #1 in the world for 6 consecutive years.